Hello, welcome to Mini Shorts. Today, just want to talk about the door steps. So, both door steps are pretty similar, with a patch like this, some holes, and down the far end, nearly completely gone. So the plan is, on this side, to use the patch, or panel rather, that replaces from here all the way along and goes into this join here. Now that's okay because this rear quarter is the one that's shot and is getting replaced completely, so no problem with this join when we do that side. On the other side we've got some of this, which is just a cheap repair panel, fits in here like this. I picked up two of these from someone locally. This particular one has got a terrible profile. This angles and lengths of these steps is not the same as on the car. They're too small each one. The other panel I had is slightly better, so in the end I've used that one. Basically I made up a cardboard template. We'll go around and show you what we've done. So we cut away the bottom of the A panel here. We then used cardboard template, get us right up to the hinge panel. Find out where this radius stops, and then template goes across there. So that follows the steps, and then the panel goes all the way along to here. Now obviously this is the new section welded in, so it's not perfect because, as I said, the heights and the lengths of each step are slightly different from the original. Talking of the original that came out of this side, here it is, and there you can see a rather large patch, and as I say, the end which I've cut out here was completely rusty, same as on the other side. So that section was in there. This is pretty much the first time I've done anything like this, so this is by no means a guide to anyone, but yeah, reasonably happy with how that's turned out. Still needs a bit more grinding down to match. So what we've done is we've cut along here and along here, and then obviously along here, and then the part that you can't see underneath there, maybe you can see where the cuts are here, and then on the inside from front to back there. So that's all, just wanted to show you that. What do we use to do it? This rather old welder, MIG welder. That's a auto dimming mask, which is way better than the ones that just stay dark the whole time. Various cutting discs, various clamps. Oh, this is one. Some of this metal is very thin. If I can get these clamps off. Sorry, bear with me 1 second. Sometimes when welding on this very thin metal, I found that if we clamp a bit of copper, so this is copper pipe that's just been crushed, clamp that on the inside so it's underneath where we're welding, just helps to pull some of the heat away, maybe help you not blow through quite as much. But again, I'm not a professional welder, so this is just something that someone mentioned to me and I gave it a go, and it helped a little bit. This is a rather small piece, better to use a bigger piece I suppose to help with the heat soak, but couldn't fit any bigger piece in there. Anyway, that's all for today. First new panel installed on the Mini. Thanks guys, bye.